Two software engineers open the same AI tool. One writes better code, makes better technical decisions, communicates better, gets noticed faster. The other, still copying random prompts from social media. Same AI, completely different results. So what's the difference? Simple. Smart software engineers are not using AI more. They're using AI differently. And once you see how they work, you probably won't use AI the same way again. Here's what most software engineers get wrong. They treat AI like a smarter search engine. They ask things like, how do I fix this bug? Write this API. Explain this error. And yes, AI can do all of that. But that's exactly why most software engineers only see small productivity gains, because they're using AI for isolated tasks, not systems. And that changes everything. Top software engineers don't open AI just to get answers. They use AI to improve how they work, not just what they work on. That's a big difference. Now here's where things get interesting. Most software engineers open their IDE and start coding immediately. Smart software engineers do something else first before writing a single line of code. They ask AI questions like, what edge cases am I missing? What architecture risks exist here? What could break at scale? That means they're solving design problems before creating technical debt, and that can save days, sometimes weeks. Because fixing code is easy. Fixing bad technical decisions, that's expensive. But the biggest advantage isn't coding, it's communication. Top software engineers understand something most people learn too late. Your career doesn't grow only because you write better code. It grows because people understand your thinking. So smart software engineers use AI to write better design docs, create stronger architecture proposals, explain technical trade-offs clearly, prepare stakeholder updates, turn messy thoughts into clear communication. Same technical skill, same experience. But now, their work becomes visible, and visibility changes careers. And this is where the real leverage starts. Most software engineers use random prompts, one prompt today, another tomorrow. No system, no consistency. Smart software engineers do the opposite. They build repeatable AI workflows. They save prompts, create templates, reuse systems, a debugging workflow, a PR review workflow, a design document workflow, an incident post-mortem workflow. Instead of starting from zero every day, they build leverage, and leverage compounds. That's why some software engineers suddenly look 2 times faster. It's not talent, it's systems. And here's the truth. AI is not replacing software engineers, but software engineers who build AI systems may outperform software engineers who don't. Not because they work harder, because they remove friction. And in software engineering, less friction often means faster growth. If you're a software engineer, developer, tech lead, founder, or engineering manager, and you want practical AI systems, not hype, subscribe to AI for Builders, because the software engineers learning AI today are building the careers everyone else will chase tomorrow.